Sleep on your arm and your arm falls asleep and you can't feel your arm. Okay, so I think he's hearing me now, but not understanding. Do you have any numbness or tingling in your face? No? Do you know what I mean by that? Okay. Have you been around a lot of noise at all? Okay. Which ear is better? Which ear is better?
Couldn't hear you.
Which ear is better? So how do you communicate with him?
I usually just go to his house and go up to his ear. But it's hard because we can't call him, and his wife has to, speak up.
How long has this been going on?
Last year before last year I think was better, but now I don't know exact the time frame. But from last year to this year.
Okay. When's the last time you went to the doctor?
Probably a couple months ago after his fall.
Okay. Did he hurt himself?
A few scratches and bruises.
Okay. So hearing test, I'm gonna have to look in his ears. He may just have a lot of wax or something like that. I don't know. But hearing test requires a lot of interaction. I'm gonna put headphones on him, and he should be able to hear me. But I'm kind of getting the impression that he's not able to interact. That maybe there's something else going on, not just hearing. Is that possible?
He's always been slow to respond, but
okay.
He looks like he can understand you.
Okay. All right. So when I get the headphones on, we'll see if that makes a difference.
That's what we're here for, to figure out.
Because, I just need to see, because I may not be able to do the hearing test. I don't know. I may not be able to get any information. You know what I mean? Because when you take a hearing test, you have to listen for sounds, and you have to let me know when you hear the sound. You have to say yes when you hear the sound. And so if I don't have a good communication, then I don't know, is he hearing the sound? Is he not? Is he hearing it and not saying anything? See what I mean? So let's just take it one step at a time. I'm going to look in his ears first. Okay, I'm going to look in your ears, okay? I'm going to look in your ear.
He had shingles about 6 months ago.
Really?
Lasted for about 4 months,
really?
4 or 5
that
months.
Can affect hearing.
Yeah, he had big abdominal pain and
shingles 4 months ago.
Yeah, 6 months ago, and it lasted for like 5 months. He was big abdominal pain.
Was on like special medications for that, or?
Yeah, they gave him some sort of nerve. I forget the nerve pain medication.
Okay.
I tried to get him on some lysine, but I don't know if he took it.
What kind of work do you do?
Him?
What kind of work do you do?
Him?
You.
Me?
You.
I'm in property management.
Okay. That maybe you're a doctor. Okay. It's hard to really see what's going on.
He worked at the post office for 25 years.
Okay. I see some wax, and I can't tell if there's more wax behind it. Yeah. So there's another test I'm going to do to maybe help figure out what's going on. baseball, hot dog, ice cream. You need to know that you've heard it. The way you're going to let me know you've heard it is by saying yes. If you don't say yes, then I don't know you heard it. You understand? Okay.